Are you struggling to make a sense of your data and turn it into actionable insight? What if I told you there's a tool that make advanced analytics and business intelligence accessible to everyone, even if you're not the data scientist? Welcome to Spotfire. Hi everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into Spotfire, a powerful platform for data visualization, analytics, and business intelligence. Whether you are new to Spotfire or just looking to unlock its full potential, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Just for instance, imagine you are tasked with analyzing sales performance across multiple regions. Without a tool like Spotfire, you would have to manually clean data, create static reports, and struggle to identify patterns. Spotfire simplifies all of that and help you uncover actionable insights in just minutes, right? So here, first of all, come to just Google, search for Spotfire, click on this first link, you will be redirected to here. Now you can see here on the top right side corner, there's a buy option, and here you have to get in touch because they don't have any plan or subscription. They will just give you a custom rate. Now click on try now. Once you go and click on try now here, you have to fill up all this information, enter your email, right? And here you have to enter your first name and last name, enter your name, last name, right? Then there's a phone number, right? What will be your using, what will you be using this for a product for? So it's for the business use, so you can choose the other. Enter the company name here, the country region, and click on get my Spotfire trial. Once every information has been filled, just go and click on okay. So I have to just go and select here, get my Spotfire trial. Now check your email just to verify here. So this is the email. Just go and click on activate your account, fill up all this information again, create your password, right? Let me just create my password here. Click on I have read and accept, and just go and click on activate. Now your account is activating. Just wait. Till that time, if you don't know, Spotfire is a cutting-edge analytic platform that empowers users to connect, visualize, and analyze data very effortlessly. From interactive dashboards to AI-driven insights, Spotfire has everything you need to make data-driven decisions. Right? So once you have, by the way, you can install it in your system, so you can download it here. I will just like to continue in the browser. Everything is same. There's a no such change. So it's completely up to you how you want to go use it. So the first step is setting up your Spotify environment. So here the very first thing which we need, this is recommended, right? So you can just go and choose here. For example, I need for sales and marketing. So just go and click on it. Now automatically your dashboard will get into all this information which is needed. Right now, connect to data source such as Excel, SQL database, or cloud storage or APIs. Because while making the account, did you saw the give us an option that where our data is going to store? So it is AWS, right? And this is we are in the viewing. If I just go to the editing here, I will able to edit each and every information here. On the left side, you can see here there's a lot of information. If I just go and click on plus icon, I can just go and change the sample analyst, right? And these are just like templates here. If I just go to the home, so I will able to find mine, the data which I have collected, right? So it's really easy because at the start you can find it very overwhelming to use it, but day by day, once you just keep using it, will save a lot of your time and you will get habitual with it. So use Spotfire data wrangling tools to handle missing values and inconsistencies before building visualization. So if I just go to the visualization, you can see here, let's say I just want to visualize the properties. Let's just go and click on here. This is regarding the sales and marketing, and this is eye icon. You can just hide it if you want, right? So this is how you can do this. For example, let's say okay, the zooming, okay, it does the, I mean, sometimes it gets zoomed too much here. Okay, let me check. I think I'm not able to view the data right now. Okay, so that's why they told me to install it, I guess. But sometimes there's a very few instances where you will find this, that the web version is not working properly here, right? I guess. Okay, it's fine. I just want to close this stuff here. Now let's talk about once your data is ready. All right, it's time to create interactive dashboard. So dashboard which you can see here over your screen, right? You will able to find, for example, this is a brand A shares change, right? And how much the change is happening on your software. So it's really easy, no need to worry, it's exactly the same thing. Within, if you find the same issue that somehow your website or your browser get crashed, just wait for a few seconds, automatically it get fixed. So once your data is ready, right, you can visualize it. So you can just go to the visualization section here, right, which you will find it here. Okay, now it's working fine here. So we can just go to the visualization section, the right tab, and select chart type here. So this is an option of visualization properties. Now here you can see there's a map chart, right? So I can just view this, for example. I can just view and check it all this information from which state this data is coming from and how much it is coming from. Drag and drop field from your data set onto the visualization canvas, sorry. In this way, customize the appearance by adjusting colors, labels, and everything here, which is really easy thing to do, right? And adding interactivity by enabling drill down filters and cross charts linking. So use color coding and annotations to highlight keys, insights, and make your dashboards more impactful, right? So Spotfire advanced analytics features take you analysis to the next level. This is where this part is really this is the where I just really like, right? For example, uncovering hidden patterns and trends. So you can use built-in statistical functions to calculate metrics like average correlations and outliers. You can apply predictive, modeling to forecast futures trends or outcomes. So this is really easy thing to do. So if we can just go to the view and click on data in analysis, and you can find it here. So this is sales and marketing. Let's just go and click on this one, this part here. Now I just want to create a histogram. Now you can see here, I can just click and hold and put it wherever I want to view it. Let's say I just want to view it here, right? So in this way, I can just get exactly data, what is happening or what is not. So it's really easy thing to do. So you can combine all this stuff. Now, the final step is presenting your finding and sharing them with the stakeholders in a clear and impactful way. Because somehow you are going to just learn this, how this, Spotfire works and where all this data is present. But, just showing to your clients and investors, this is where the really difficult part comes in, right? I can just zoom it and zoom out, and I can check all the data from here. You can also export your data as a PDF, image, and presentation, right? By the way, this is sidebar, so you can just check all the data from here. This is visualization part, so you can just check. For example, I want to check in map chart, so I can view it in a map chart section, right? So this is really easy. And now this is called analytics tool, so you can just analyze by using a different formulas. Now this is a in action, so no action has been created. Let's create an action. Find items in the library. Oh, once you have the data, then only you will able to do this. So this is just like a workflow. So you can use storytelling techniques to guide your audience through the insights, start with the problems, show the analysis, and end with actionable recommendations. Show how to export a dashboard, publish it online, and schedule reports, right? You can use annotations, call outs, and narrative elements to tell a compelling story with your data. Invite team members to collaborate on a dashboard and share insights in a real time. So Spotfire is highly scalable, or so whether you're analyzing small data sets or massive enterprise data, the platform can grow with what your needs, right? So this is it. I hope you found this video useful. And if you didn't, you can dislike the video. But if you did, if you even got some of the information, you can just like this video. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.